What's up guys, are you looking for a secret method that can help you earn money online quickly and easily? If yes, then look no further, because in this video I'm going to review a powerful CPA marketing strategy that can help you earn over $2 in every 5 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. This is a tried and tested method that has proven to work and can help you make serious money online in 2023. So if you're ready to discover the secret of making money online, watch this video to the very end. And having said that, let's get it started. The first thing to do is to come over to CPA Grip. If it's your first time, just come over here to where it says register and hit on the button. You're going to have all the details that you're going to fill up here, and it's very easy and straightforward. But if you have your account already, come over here and just log in. I'll just go ahead and log in to one of my demo accounts. And once you log into your brand new account, it's going to be something exactly like this. Here, you don't need to waste much of your time. What you need to do is to come over to where it says monetization tool. And here, you want to come over to where it says URL/FileLocker. And you want to go ahead and hit on the button. And then you're going to be on this page just like this. What you want to do is to come over to where it says create new locker. And then you're going to be on this page just like this. Go to the bottom of the page and agree to the terms of services, and then hit on continue. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page just like this. And once you're here, you can actually choose the template of your choice. All of these are free templates that you can actually use. But me personally, I always prefer this very one because I believe most of the time simplicity is the key. That is the reason why I always go with this simple template right here. Now you want to return to general. Like I said, choose any template of your choice, and you want to give your file a name. Okay, I'll just go ahead and write something like Twitter. On the button text, you can actually change this to your preference, but for the sake of this video, I will still leave it just the way it is like this, begin download. And on the offer help test, just leave this the way it is also. And then you want to come over to where it says log URL. This is what you should be most concerned about here. And now we need to find a file that we're going to log. What you need to do is to come over to this very website that is called freeebook.net. Here you can actually search for any ebook and download it for free. You don't have to pay anything. Okay, just search for the name and download it. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using this particular one right here that said get a job in 30 days. What you want to do is to go ahead and download it. I have it on my laptop already, and once you download it to your computer, what you need to do is to upload it to your drive. I believe you know how to upload a file to Google Drive, so I will just skip that step. But once you have it uploaded on your drive, what you want to do is to double click on the ebook, and once you hear, what you want to do is to come over to these 3 dots right here and click on it, and then you want to hit on share. Then this window is going to pop up. Make sure you leave it at anyone with the link. Anyone with the link can actually access it. Okay, and once you've done that, you want to hit on copy link and then hit on done. Once you do it this way, you want to return to your CPA Grip again, and here where it says log file, you want to paste your link right here. Okay, and where it says shows offer, just leave this the way it is, or you can increase it to be 5, 2, anything of your choice. Okay, everything you're going to set it based on your preference, and all of this just leave it the way it is. And here where it says access time, I want you to leave it forever. There's a reason why you need to do it this way. Just leave it to be forever, not 24 hours. And once you do it this way, you can actually come over to this place where it says show offer manager. If there is any offer that you don't want to promote, you can actually come over here and hit on this button that said hide. Once it turns red like this, it's not going to show up. Okay, but if you want it to show up, just leave it to be green the way it is. But if you don't like it, just talk over the green button, then it's going to turn to red. That file is not going to show up when you start promoting. And once you do it this way, you want to go ahead and hit on this button also that said hide offer manager. And once you have it like this, you want to go ahead and hit on save. You're going to have your locker right here. This is what we just created, Twitter. Okay, and now you want to come over here where it says get link, and for the domain you can actually choose any of this domain right here, but it doesn't actually mean it's not going to affect your promotion. What you want to do next is to hit on copy the link. And for the next step of this video, you want to come over to this particular website called GetResponse. If you have your account already, just go ahead and log in. But if you're first time using it, just come over here and hit on where it says sign up for free. It's pretty straightforward, but I will just go ahead and log into one of my demo accounts. And once you log into your brand new account, it's going to be something exactly like this. Okay, you just want to come over here to where it says create landing page, and then you're going to be on this window right here. What you want to do, we don't need to create anything from scratch. We just need something very simple, a bypass page, just a bridge page. We don't want to be designing a lot of graphic here. Just choose any of the templates that is very simple. And for the sake of this video, I'll just go ahead and select this particular one right here. Just go ahead and hit on select template. The next thing you need to do is to go ahead and name your landing page. Okay, and once you name your landing page, you want to go ahead and hit on this button that says next step, and then you're going to wait a little bit wait for the page to load up, and once it load up, you're going to have your template just like this. All of this, you just want to go ahead and delete everything. We don't actually need any of them. And now we are left with this. We want to try to make the template to be as clean as possible. We don't actually need a lot of text on it. We just need the bypass page, okay? The next thing we need to do is to go ahead and change this headline to what we want to use. I will just go ahead and write something like click here, and here I will also change this to be to continue. Now it's like click here to continue. You can actually drag any object on the page, okay, and also increase the size to what you like. And now you just have it as simple like this, okay? Click here to continue. Once they click here, they are going to be redirected to our offer. And once you have it like this, you can actually go ahead and check it on the mobile version how it looks. If you don't always look okay, you can go ahead, edit some of these tests and make it fit in, okay? And once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to come over to where it says next step, and you want to hit on next step. And then you just want to be on this page just like this. Here, the very first thing they're going to ask you is the page title, which happens to be Twitter, okay? Leave all of this the way it is. And for the landing page URL, just leave it the way it is, just like this. And for your domain, leave all of this the way it is. Just leave all of this the way it is. And come over to where it says thank you page. And here, you want to click on custom thank you page. Once you click on this custom thank you page, and now the next thing you need to do is to return to CPA Grip. Remember our file locker, you want to go ahead and copy the link, return to get response, and then you want to paste it right here. And once you've done that, you want to hit on this button that says publish, and then you're going to be on this page. This is the page that we just created, and if you hit on this link, you're going to be redirected to this page just like this. Click here to continue. You can see how it looked neat. This is the same thing that I want you to create. Just create something just like this, but don't use the same color. Everybody are not going to be doing the same thing. And the next thing you need to do is to copy your landing page link, okay, and return to Google Docs. You want to paste it here and make it safe. And for the next step of this video, I want you to go over to Google and search for trendy Twitter hashtag. If you search it this way, you are not going to see the current result. But if you search trendy Twitter hashtag today, basically you're going to have it on the first page just like this. These are what are trendy on Twitter right now, okay? You can see most of these are not even up to this. 3 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, 2 minutes, 40 minutes. And listen, the result that you're going to have here is going to be different from person to person, okay? It's going to different from the time of the day you search for it, and it's going to different from your location. It's never going to be the same. But the most important thing is for you to know what are the things that are trendy on Twitter right now. This is the way we are going to make our money. Let me make an example for you so that you can follow along and repeat the process over and over again. We want to make an example with this particular one right here. It's still trendy, okay, and it has been since 3 hours. We want to go ahead and copy this particular one. I say, I don't want to measure the words. I don't know if it's going to validate YouTube terms, but just like this, just go ahead and copy the words that are trendy, okay? I want to hit on Ctrl+C from my keyboard, and now I want to return to Twitter. And here, I want to paste the exact words right here, okay? And this is it over here. You want to go ahead and hit on the words. And once you pop up, you don't want to follow the people. Forget about the people and come over to the post. Like this particular post right here is one of the trendy topic relating to what we just searched right here, okay? All of these posts are related to this particular trendy topic, okay? I don't want to mention the name, but just like this. What you want to do is to hit on any of the posts. If you can make a comment under this particular post right here, you can see the very first reply in the law has gotten over 4,000 views. The second reply has gotten over 4,000 views also. This one has gotten over 3,000 views. Okay, if you can make a comment under this trendy topic, believe me, you're going to be seeing a lot of traffic, because at the end of the day, you're not going to be commenting only on this particular one. Like I said, it's going to vary from person to person and from location to location. You can come over to this particular one also that say IPL 2023 and repeat the same process, okay? Come over to the post and comment something like, I know it's not related, but this powerful ebook right here has actually bailed me out of poverty. And you can also check it out yourself. Moreover, all the information, you are going to be getting it for free. If you comment something like this under most of these posts, and at the end of the day, you're going to insert this your landing page link beneath the word, trust me, you're going to start seeing results. But this particular one right here, I cannot actually comment under this. If you read it yourself, you're going to know what this is all about. Repeat the process in any time of the day with different trendy topic. Believe me, you're going to start seeing results, okay? I've actually tested it out. I've made money with it, and I want you to go out there also and do the same thing. All right, so go and test it out and return to this video and comment how it goes. All right.